Yo, have you been looking for a working skin changer for CS2 for a long time that won't get you banned by Valve? Today I will show you how to download and install such a skin changer. Follow the instructions and you will succeed. First, you need to follow the link in the description and download the archive. Then you need to disable the antivirus and unzip the archive to a location convenient for you. After that, launch the cheat and enter the game.